Everyone, welcome back. So today onwards we are going to start a new series on latest version of Filament, Filament V5. So where we will be creating a simple lead management system. So I just want to demo you so what we are going to build. So let's quickly create a new organization. So this is the admin panel. So we'll be working on a tenant basis. So we have admin panel. So let me just create filament organization. Let's say filament.com. Subdomain is filament, and let me just test@filament.com. Let's see. If I'll create, it will automatically help me to create this username and password for the admin role. So let me just copy and paste. So if I will click on here, so now I am inside the organization of Filament, right? So I am just using this subdomain in the browse. So now you can see I have the users. So we have features. So this is basically we may develop many features in future, and we can just manage the features, like which features to assign to them or not. So this is just a setting part. So if I go back to the organization, so what we have here is settings, activity log, users, roles and permissions, and for now I've just added these three simple parts. So we have pipeline stages, prospects and prospect boards. Okay, let me just go here. I think manage features. I think I need to select this rather than that. So if I refresh here, if I go back, sorry, it should not be the prospect one. So okay, I should have this lead management, not that one. So what we have here is we have pipelines, so they can create as much as pipeline they want. Leads, lead board, right? We have a lead board, we have custom fields, and we have the simple report page. So let me just quickly show you. So in pipeline we have one default pipeline by default. So if I click here, and for each pipeline we have the stages. So we can also create a new pipeline, test pipeline, and if it's default else, okay, and then it will automatically generate these 5 or 6 questions, status. So if I go back here, let's say in contract, so we have the ability to add multiple questions. Suppose if any status is transferring from new to contracted, or from any status to back to contracted status, I can add the questions. Suppose let's say did the lead pick up the call, just a simple question. So I will make it required, right? And then let's say what are the any remarks. So I will just save it. So I have added two questions for this status, right? So let me just show you. So we don't have any leads. Let me just create a simple lead. Let's say test lead, and let us add this in default pipeline. It's in the new status. We can also assign the user here. So source from where we get this lead. So for now it's just the static data, but we can make it dynamic. And if we have any deal value for now, let's say 100. So we have this, right? Its current state is new, status open, and this, and we have this activity feed here. So now if I go back to lead board, so I can now see in my lead board the lead here, right? So now if you remember, we just added one question when the lead should transfer in this contacted state. So let me try from here. Now here is the thing, right? Did the lead pick up the call? Yes. Any remarks? So no. So and for each status I have added this remarks as a default for now. Suppose if I add this in qualified, okay, if it have any questions, then only the lead can be the questions, then automatically this remark question will be updated there. So yes, any remarks? No. Let's say submit, and this would be transferred here. We can obviously change directly from here. If we also try to, let me just get back here, and again let me just try to change status to contacted. Again the same question are here dynamically, right? And now the next part is we have these custom fields. So custom fields means if I go on new lead, suppose we just have a basic information here, right? Contact information, pipeline, and source and value and nodes. What if user want any other fields to be there? Suppose user wants their addresses that is missing. Okay, so now they can go on custom question and they can say lead address and anything here. It's just like a slot, and then what type of value is this, and then they can sort if they have and make it required. So if I create here and if I refresh here in the create page, now I can see additional information, lead address. So they can create as much as questions they want from there, right? If I click on edit here, okay, let's just say auth, and then the value is saved, and we can also see the detailed information here. So the lead was created from here by Filament admin, the user I am, and then the its status activity. And for now we have the answers as well here in the model pop-up. So what was the answers, and then remarks part. So this is by default, and these are the answers that were saved during the flow. And then we have a simple roles and permissions. So it will show the new leads, how many were won, how many were conversion rate, and the value. So analysis and filament. So this is not the design does not look good anyway. So this is what we are going to build. So if you have any other features or any other ideas, then please comment down. We'll also explore that part.